This is the desk trap here at the JCPenney store at Ross Park Mall in Ross Township, Pennsylvania. Here's the currently locked machine room. It's got Twinkie Almost A series. Installed in 1986. Here it is. I do have a shopping cart. You too. Belt's messed up. This is another reason I really don't. This mall isn't that great. So runner up because it could use some improvements. Go down to 1, L1. Whoa. Standard light panels. This thing's a desk trap. You have the one you can depend on. A series, ADA compliant. No, there is no phone. We're messed up. Let's set it up. Let's set it up. Oh, that's a nice motor. And that's it.